And as you can see, he flies down to the stage without making any noise. So this is the twin brother of Tazu named Casper. So without making any noise, it's because of their southern edge of their feathers. Here in the Philippines, some of you are familiar to our Philippine eagle owl because here in the Philippines, Philippine eagle owl is commonly known as, can you guess? Burkao or Kuwado. And their lifespan in the wild can extend up to 15 years in the wild, where here in captivity, they can extend it up to 20 to 25 years. Yeah, I think Casper want to go back to the jungle. At a count of 3, Casper. Are you ready? And 1, and 2, and poop. I didn't tell to poop, I just tell you to fly. So they also have a very, very strong and sharp balance. So sometimes it's hard for him to hunt for food during daytime. It's because suwaw pa kayo na para sa ilaha. So their eyes can see 8 to 10 kilometers away. So yun na kalayo ang ilaha or ilahang pagtanaw. Okay, once again, our Philippine eagle owl named Casper. Now let's move back to the year-round bird of prey. And for that, I need a brave volunteer to serve. Okay. Now, you already witnessed the good catcher bird of prey. Now let's see the next bird of prey. It's because we called him the good snatcher bird of prey. So, hi sir, good morning. Welcome to the bird show. What's your name? Steve. So, Sir Steve, now today, sir, you will be our volunteer, and Miss Janice will give you a sample of food. It's because let's see how this bird of prey will snatch his food. Okay, sir, up high down. As you can see, food are real food and morning snatch. So let's see the difference between the good catcher and the good snatcher bird of prey. Okay. Now, Sir Steve, are you ready? Okay. Now, everyone, please help me welcome our prominent guide named Shadow. All the way from Southeast Asia, mostly found in Indonesia and Malaysia. Sugat the honey. Okay. Yes, that's how fast he is. Snatches his food. And napalit kung sa kakusog sa hangin. Okay, thank you, sir. You may now take your seat. So, prominent guide is all the way from Southeast Asia, mostly found in Indonesia and Malaysia. They are known for having a white plumage from their head down to its body and a reddish-brown wings and also in their tails. So the difference between the Philippine hawk eagle and the prominent kite or the good snatcher, so Philippine hawk eagle or the good catcher will just rip the flesh until it turn into pieces, while prominent kite will just snatch the good or slip and fly away. That's the difference between the two. So here in the Philippines, prominent kite again is very familiar to you. Because here in the Philippines, prominent kite is also known as, can you guess again? Banog in Bisaya, Lawin in Tagalog. Daghan ng points, Mr. Trivia. Okay, once again, let's put a hand together. It's our prominent kite named Shadow. Thank you, Shadow. Now, at this juncture, I need your help, guys. Please sit down. No one will stand up. And please, parents, look after your children. And of course, do not reach out the bird, because this bird of prey will fly closer to you. So this is for your own safety and also for the safety of our birds. Hi, ma'am. Can you please sit down? So I observe my bird trainer, Mr. Chris. Hi, Mr. Chris. Are you ready? Now, Ma'am, please sit down. Everyone, no one will set up. All set, I think, ready now. So, everyone, I want you to meet one of the largest bird of prey in the show. Keep your heads up high so our young, white, balanced eagle, Rana! So white-bellied sea eagle are the king of the sea. They are regionally found in Southeast Asia, mostly found in Indonesia and Malaysia. And as you can see, or did you know that they can fly up to 3,000 feet high? And can you imagine, even if how small ilang food or prey, they can clearly see it. It's because aside from they have a very strong and sharp talons, they also have a very, very strong eyesight. As you can see, I go to the stage. Once again, our white-bellied sea eagle, Rana. Thank you, Rana. Now, to seal this moment and to make it memorable, we also have here our flying lorries all the way from Australia. So we have three kinds of lorries, the dusty lorries and the chattering lorries. So they are frugivorous type of bird, meaning they love to eat fruits. They love to drink honey, milk, and just like any other sweet treats. So now, before we totally end the show, let us hear a few words from the father of the Cebu Safari. A round of applause to Señorita Michelle Lillier. Let's hear a few words. The father and the mother of Cebu Safari and Adventure Park.
A lot of people. Thank you for coming here and helping support the Cebu Safari. Thank you so much, because I need your help, because I believe in Carmen, this place, and I believe in Cebu. So we made this possible, and we can continue bringing in more animals and improving the area with your help. Thank you for joining the fun run. I also tried to run, but I mostly walked. Because when you reach my age of 78, it's not so easy. Yeah. And here I have my better half. We've been together for 61 years. So, when they say walang forever, that's not true. I will be with her forever. And thank you so much, really. But all of this was possible just with a little help from me, from my money. But the real man behind this is Edward Blue. My CEO, President, he lives here, he smells the safari, he plans everything. All I do is pay the bills, that's all. And I hope you enjoyed it, because I really enjoy coming here. I come every 2 weeks to see what is the next project. And I tell you, what you see now is nothing. But we will have pandas, name it, we will have it all. I just have to fork out $1 million and China will give me the pandas. That's all. So I have to earn money first. But thank you, and I hope you help support us because in Chimlong, there are 35 to 40,000 customers a day. And here, we have 1,000 to 2,000. So, how I wish I was in China, but nevertheless, I prefer to be in Cebu. For me, this is the best part of the planet. I love Cebu. My brother is an ambassador, and I was offered by the president if I want to be ambassador. I said, Mr. President, can you make me ambassador to Cebu? He said, nabuang man ka. Sige lang, buang bitaw. Pabuang-buang lang. But thank you so much, really. I love your shirts. Cebu Safari. The fun run next year, I promise you to be a better one. And I hope more of you will participate. Please, let's help each other. Okay, bravo, and thank you so much.
Okay, so why don't you give a round of applause to the father and the mother of the Cebu Safari Air Adventure Board, Señorito and Señorita live here. Okay, thank you. Yes, sir. Oh, and we have here the symbol of love, peace, prosperity, and harmony. Our group of pigeons. So once again, before we totally end the show, let me call on the staff behind the success of the show. My partner on the stage, Miss David, a young white balance eagle named Rana. Miss Janice, together with a blue and gold macaw named Jane. Hi, Jane. Hi. And Mr. Jane, together with African gay parrot named Christian and Anna. Corporate trainer up there, Mr. Chris, Mr. Irving. So we're someone up there, Mr. Ricky. To my colleagues up there, Mr. Ryan, Mr. Kirby. And Miss Rachel, they're in charge of the lovers together of blue and gold macaw named Tarzan. Mr. JR with another prominent guy named Sky. And please help me welcome the man behind the success of the show, our professional bird trainer, all the way from Singapore, her round of applause, Mr. Aka. And George Julie, my name is Monkey. Hope you guys still learned something about the importance of the bird in the wildlife. Not only the importance of the bird of the wildlife, but also the importance of the Mother Nature in the environment. Okay? And hope you guys are enjoying and amazed by the show, of course. And it's because you're so very special for us, we will allow you to take many pictures with our photograph birds right here in the stage. The stage is yours. This is your time, this is your opportunity where you can hand carry our photograph birds. Once again, thank you and enjoy the rest of the wild. Good morning.